much,
Even the baby knows what to do already.
Yeah.
Practicing how you use the trunk.
Yeah.